Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys. I've spent the past couple of days doing some deep cleaning around the house, things like dusting, especially the bathrooms. So let's go ahead and hop into it. I start out on this day by unboxing our HelloFresh and putting it in the fridge. If you didn't know, HelloFresh is a meal delivery kit. We usually get about 3 meals a week. It really takes the guesswork out of dinner. It comes with a protein and sides and the recipe. After that, I hop into washing a few dishes, mainly just Liam's lunchbox items. From there, I move on to dusting in the living room. As you guys know, we have a cat. I probably could do this once every couple of days and it would be needed, but I don't. So here I'm tackling the coffee tables, our entertainment center, and our mantle. There is our little kitty cat Gray now. I decide to finish up downstairs vacuuming. This is something that I do almost daily because of the pet hair. And now the next day, I move on to tackling our bathrooms. I had let these go for way too long, and you guys will see more in my son's bathroom, and I'm sure parents can relate. But first we hop into my bathroom. Here I'm tackling the toilets, and when I mean tackling, I mean literally washing the entire toilet. Moms, I'm sure you're the ones who usually clean, and you'll know what I'm talking about, especially if you have boys or men in your home. Moving on to the countertops, and you guys will see instead of my usual cloths, I am using Clorox wipes for this. I got a sample of these at Walmart grocery pickup a few weeks ago, and they smell like coconut, and it's amazing. The scent's even left behind when you finish, so I highly recommend you give them a try. A couple of years ago, I got tired of seeing a bottle of mouthwash on the counter, so I picked up this carafe with a lid at Target, and that's what I've been using for our mouthwash ever since. If you're wondering what I found on the faucet fixture, it's actually paint from a couple of weeks ago, but luckily it came off. If you guys haven't seen that day in the life video where I paint our bedroom, I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys to watch. And finally, we're moving on to Liam's bathroom. And does anyone else's kids do this? I really appreciate that Liam is so independent and brushes his teeth on his own, but I just wish he would keep the toothpaste on the toothbrush and not all over the sink. And that's it for this cleaning motivation video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. We have some fun stuff going on this weekend, so I'm hoping to put a video of that together for you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye!